This is going to be super quick, and I know some people don't really like everything going on right now, but I'm just going to say happy July 4th. I hope you all had a good day. Thank you to all the troops, fire department, police departments, reservists, all those people for making, you know, what you have real, and keeping it, I don't know how you want to say it, keeping freedoms that we have. Obviously not everything is perfect in this country, a lot of things aren't, and a lot of things are ass backwards, but you know, the troops, the police officers, the good police officers, I'm going to preface that, you know, fire department, all those people, they make this, or try and keep this whole thing running. So I'm just going to say big thank you to all of them. I hope you guys have an awesome 4th. I hope you had a great day. I hope you got home safe. Hope you don't drink and drive. Do all the things that, you know, you're allowed to do in this country, because obviously we are the land of the free. But just say, you know, I hope everyone had a good day. I hope you had a good holiday, long weekend, whatever it is. And I hope you all, again, if you go out and drink, make sure to be safe. Have somebody drive you home that isn't drunk. There's no point in getting home or not getting home for a couple beers. So hope you all have a good day. I'll see y'all later.